Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have a couple of glitches to go over as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help support this channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a second to share the video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so first up, let's take a look at our insert schedule. So for today, July the 24th, we should be receiving a Smart Source insert and a Save insert in today's newspapers. Into our new Dollar General digital coupons. First of all, go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for this Saturday. Next up, we have a one-off one for the Gain laundry products. These are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Now, I do want to go ahead and give y'all a heads up. We do still have those $1.50 off one coupons for the Gain, Tide, Bounce, and Downy products. So if you still have those on your account, if you have not used those yet, I would hold off on clipping these lower value coupons because we're going to see lower value coupons for Gain, Tide, and Downy, possibly Bounce as well. So y'all just keep that in mind while we go through these digitals. So I am going to go ahead and clip that one. I'm pretty sure I've used all of my Gain coupons, but maybe not my Tide. Alright, $1.50 off one for the Airwick scented oil products. So if you want to pick up these starter kits, those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working with the Airwick warmers that are priced at $2. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. So great filler item there. Next up, we have one off one for the Gain liquid laundry detergent. Those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. This coupon also works on the Pet Bounce dryer sheets, 50 count. Those are on sale this week for $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Next up, we have one off one for the All or Snuggle products. Those are on sale this week for $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. And we do still have that instant savings going on for All, Snuggle, and Purex products. When you spend $15, you're going to instantly save $3. Okay, so that's going to be a good deal this week. Now, I'm going to hold off on clipping this one for now because I do have insert coupons from last Sunday's newspapers, and those are higher value. So I'm going to work with those insert coupons first. Next up, one off one for the Tide. So these are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. I'm going to hold off on clipping that one to make sure that I've already used my $1.50 off one coupon first. Next up, 3 off 1 for the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits. Those are priced at $11.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8.50. We have $1.50 off one for the Nivea Body Wash. We haven't seen those coupons in a while, but the Nivea lotions, those are priced at $5. See, I lost my place already. $5 after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Next up, $1.50 off one for the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. These are priced at $4.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We have 2 off one for the Colgate products. This coupon works on a lot. So the toothpaste is the lowest priced item at $4.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. And unfortunately, we do not have instant savings on Colgate, Palmolive, Suavitel, Ajax, all of those good stuff because we have a lot of really good coupons, and I really wish we had instant savings this week, but we do not. So moving on, we have 50 cents off one for the Lysol products. So there's a lot that you can pick up with this, but if you want to pick up the multi-purpose sprays, those are the lowest priced item at $2.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. We have 2 off 2 for the Kotex products. 3 off 1 for the Febreze Unstoppables. These are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. But be aware that the other Febreze coupons, like that 1 off 1 Febreze Air products, that one does also attach to the Febreze Unstoppables. So just be aware of that one. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Gillette Mach 3 razors. These are on sale this week for $7.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.25. But we do have a higher value coupon of 3 off 1. So I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now. Next up, 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl eye products. So if you want to pick up the 2 count eyeliners, those are priced at $4.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. And I do believe that we have some insert coupons that might be a higher value, 3 off 1 out there somewhere. I seem to have remembered that happened over the past few weeks. But I'm going to go ahead and clip this one. But if you do have those 3 off 1, you may want to hold off. Next up, 1 off 1 for the Downy. These products are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. I'm going to hold off and make sure that I have used my 150 off 1 coupons first. Next up, 50 cents off 1 for the Suavitel, 120 ounce bottles. Those are priced at $8. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50. 2 off 1 for the All or Purex laundry products. Those are priced at $9. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7. And again, keep in mind about that instant savings. Next up, 1 off 2 for the Lay's snacks. Now, this is an interesting coupon. So if you want to pick up the regular Lay's potato chips, they're on sale 2 for $6 this week. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 2. If you want to pick up the rolled gold pretzels, this coupon also works on those. So they're on sale 2 for $5.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50 for 2. And this coupon, some people may consider this one a glitch because this is working on the Lay's stacks. Those are kind of like Pringles, but the Lay's brand. They're priced at $1.35, so pick up 2. Use this coupon. You're going to pay $1.70 for 2. So that is a great deal. Next up, 1 off 1 for the Tide Simply products, laundry detergents. So these start out at $6.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.75. The next step up from there is $8.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.25. Next up, 50 cents off 1 for the Lysol, or Pine Sol, sorry. So these are priced at $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. However, we do have a higher value 1 off 1 coupon. So if you still have that one on your account, I would pass on clipping this lower value coupon. Next up, 1 off 3 for the 7-Up, A&W, Canada Dry, and Sunkist 12 packs. They are on sale this week, 3 for $12. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $11 for 3. We have a 1 off 1 for the Colgate toothbrushes. Those are $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have 1 off 1 for the Soft Soap Body Wash. Those are priced at $4.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. We also have 1 off 1 for the Irish Spring Body Wash or bar soaps. Those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Next up, 75 cents off 1 for the Ajax dish soap, 90 ounces only. Those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75. Y'all see what I mean about that? I wish we had instant savings this week on all of those products. That would be amazing. All right, moving on down, we have 50 cents off 1 for the Lysol sprays. 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl face products. Again, if you have those insert coupons, you may want to hold off on clipping this one. But these are priced at $6.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. Moving on down, we have Poise, we have Energizer, we have 80s ice cream. We have 125 off 1 for the Act mouthwash. Now, here's one that I do want to talk about for just a second because we do have a higher value and a lower value coupon. So you definitely want to check your accounts before you clip this one. But these are priced at $4.75. So after this 125 off 1 coupon is applied, you're going to pay $3.50. But be on the lookout. We have a 150 off 1 coupon and a 1 off 1 coupon. So make sure that you're clipping that higher value coupon and leaving the rest alone. Moving on down, we have Biotin that did not attach to anything. Pedigree, 30-pound bags of dog food. Here's a really good deal, $8.99 off 2 for the STEM products. So that's kind of like some bug sprays and stuff. These are priced at $7 each. So if you pick up 2 and use this coupon, you're going to pay $5.01 for 2. Great deal. We have 1 off 1 for the Hello products. We have 1 off 1 for the Haagen-Dazs ice cream bars 6 count. So here's a little deal that y'all can do with this one. The 6 count bars are priced at $7.75. We also have a DG store coupon that will work with this 1 off 1, and it is a buy one of the 6 count bars and get one of the smaller ones for free. So pick up one of the 6 count bars at $7.75 and one of the 3 ounce single bars at, I think they're single bars, it could be in a cup as well, for $2.95. Pick up both of those products, use the 1 off 1 manufacturer plus the buy one get one free DG store coupon. You're going to pay $6.75 for 2. So pretty good deal there. We have $125 off one for the Cortisone, $350 off for the Voltaren, $5 off one for the Flonase, $2 off one for the Nexium. Now we do have a higher value coupon on some accounts. We have a 3 off one. So Nexium, these start out at $9.68. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.68, but be on the lookout for that 3 off one. 2 off one for the Depends, 2 off one for the Unisom. Here's a really good deal. The 15 count, those are priced at $4, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. We have 75 cents off for the Sister Schubert rolls. I couldn't get this to pull up a price in the app, but I know that my store does carry those, so we'll have to scan them in store. 3 off one for the CoverGirl Clean and Beauty. That one never attaches to anything, but we'll go ahead and clip it just in case. I'm going to skip over a few of these because we have went over them in previous weeks, previous videos. There is that 3 off one Gillette, so I'll go ahead and clip that one now. I've been holding out to see if they give us a 4 off one, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. Now I say that and watch, they will give us a 4 off one this week. Alright, next up we have some DG store coupons, 2 off one for the Maybelline New York products. Now some people consider this a glitch. If you want to pick up the Maybelline Expert 2 count eyeliner pencils, those are priced at $4, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2, but there is a lot included with that coupon, so definitely scan some products, click on the coupon, see what y'all can find, because there are some pretty good deals. Next up, 1 off one for the Rexall vitamins, Heart Health, fish oil, garlic, there's a lot included. If you want to pick up the garlic 60 count, those are priced at $2.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. Pantene, we already went over that a couple of weeks ago. We have castor oil, motor oil. We have 50 cents off for the True Living or DG Home bleach. These start out at $3.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.45. Of course, we have our allergy medicines there. We have 25 cents off for the True Living paper towels. Those are priced at $3.25 for the 2 count. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. And we have 1 off one for the Kiss Tint Up hair color. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, we would love to have you as a part of our crazy couponing family. So go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and also don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And on your way out, please hit the thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help support the channel. Leave me a comment down below and take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.